everyone, my name is Candice and I work for the George Hall Center as an EarlyON facilitator. Today I brought you guys to the Old Mill Alpaca Farm in Colborne. And today we're going to go on a tour and trek and learn all about alpacas. This is my friend Presley, and Presley is a Hikea, and he is a type of alpaca. There are two types, and he's the Hikea, and he looks like a big fluffy teddy bear. And we shave him once a year to get his beautiful shiny wool. And right now he sees his friends over in the field, and he wants to go and play with them. All right, let's continue our walk. Presley's having a little snack. He likes to eat apples. Yum, yum. So the llama, the alpaca, and the camel are all part of the same family. They are cousins, just like you and your cousins at home. And that reminds me of our song, Alice the Camel. Alice the camel has 3 humps. Alice the camel has 3 humps. Alice the camel has 3 humps. So go, Alice, go. Boom, boom, boom. Alice the camel has 2 humps. Alice the camel has 2 humps. Alice the camel has 2 humps. So go, Alice, go. Boom, boom, boom. Alice the camel has 1 hump. Alice the camel has 1 hump. Alice the camel has 1 hump. So go, Alice, go. Boom, boom, boom. Alice the camel has no humps. Alice the camel has no humps. Alice the camel has no humps, 'cause Alice is an alpaca. That's right, alpacas have no humps, even though they're from the camel family. Alpacas come in all different colors. You can see we have black ones, brown ones, tan ones, light ones, and they're very friendly and curious creatures. You can see they want to know what's going on. And my friend here, the tanned one, this is Sari, and she's the oldest alpaca on the farm. She is 21 years old. This is Bella, and she is the biggest alpaca at the farm, and she weighs 250 pounds. Wow, she is a big girl. Hi, Bella. Hello. Here, there's lots of alpacas together because when they're together, they are happy. Just like you and me, my friends. The more we get together, together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. These are the livestock guardian dogs, and they protect our alpacas on the farm. Hi! Alpacas are shaved once a year for their hair to make all sorts of things from their wool. So after they're shaved, they use their hair to make wool. And the wool is so strong and shiny and warm that people like to make scarves and mittens and hats and blankets and all other types of clothing to keep us warm. Thank you everyone for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed learning all about alpacas and exploring the Colborne Old Mill Alpaca Farm. Please like our YouTube page and keep updated for more fun videos. Until next time, bye!